Hey, what's up guys? It's Spectrum back here with a brand new unboxing video, and I apologize for the slightly unorthodox method of unboxing that we're going to be doing today, but I figured since I had my friend here we could go ahead and do this. Sadly I still have not found my tripod, but I will be looking for it. We got the MAFEX Suicide Squad Harley Quinn here. All I've done is cut the tape so far. I haven't taken her out of the package or anything like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get her out here and see what she's got to offer. Alright. She was about 50 bucks. Really cheap actually, which I'm happy about. Just set that down there for right now. I forgot how MAFEX packaging works. I've been buying so many SHF in the past few months. This is my first MAFEX I've bought in probably a decently long time. So yeah, here's the figure. I'll look at her with the plastic around her body. You got it focused on it? Okay, yeah. She's looking pretty cool so far. Let me see if we can pop the head off and then perhaps go ahead and get, yeah, there we go. Got that off. Let's get this off somehow, hopefully. I think her jacket is in the way. We're just going to set that right there. Okay. Seems like it's pretty easy to get off of her, which is really good. Might have to pop out the arms and go ahead and pop out the jacket to get the plastic off. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's get this back on here. Gotta say, man, she looks a lot better than I thought she would so far. Haven't gotten a good look at her face just yet, but we will as soon as we get everything reassembled. There we go. Arm here. Go ahead and shimmy that back on. Nice and easy. I like that a lot. Sometimes it's not so easy. Shimmy this one. Almost got it. Alright, I think that's about as good as we're going to get. Got her pudding necklace here. Like that a lot. And let's pop her head on and see. Alright. Wow, yeah, it looks a lot like Margot Robbie, and I'm glad I bought this version. Can you get a good look at her face in there? Yeah. Her joints, let's see here. Get a little run through of her joint system and stuff like that. Seem to be relatively comfortable in terms of tightness. Nothing too loose or too tight as far as I can tell. Her arms might be a little bit long, but I don't know, women usually have longer arms than men do, so that's all good. But yeah, everything is nice and comfortable. Once again, MAFEX delivers, in my opinion, on the QC department in terms of joint tightness and stuff like that. So yeah, I will have a full review of her out soon enough for you guys. Hopefully I can figure something out with the tripod and everything. And yeah, that's been my unboxing video of the MAFEX Harley Quinn, and I will be posting this to YouTube and Instagram and to my Facebook, so you guys can enjoy it there. So catch you in the next video. Peace!